Well, the picture, we're going to do a little short video of the truck, not maybe about a minute, couple of minutes. And as you can see, it sounds good.
Yep.
It's a 1994 Dodge Ram pickup with 179,000 miles on it. But the truck is in very good shape, runs really good. Put new plugs, plug wires, rotor and rotor cap on it. Doesn't smoke, as you can see. Sounds good. Here's the truck. And we'll show you the inside. Right here. If you can see it. Inside the truck here. And it's real clean. And cleaned it up. Oh, I wanted to show you. This is the only thing that was wrong with it, was the dash. As you can see, a little bit busted up there. But they said that's normal for these kind of Dodges. So, and as you can see, I just put new fog lights in there a few days ago. And yeah, it's a little messed up on the bumper part, but other than that, it's missing all that. But other than that, everything's fine on it. And there's the engine. Right there, everything's in good shape on it. Just bought a new, where you at? There you are. New engine oil dipstick. I think it's got a new transmission fluid stick too. Anyway. 5.2 liter, there you go. The belt routing. You can pause the video to read these, so if you need more time. Anyway, the truck is in good shape, runs real good. Runs real good.
Yep.
It's a good vehicle. Good rims, good tires. But anyway, we're going to cut this short. Bye-bye.